So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today I am here to tell you all that three most important thing which is very important and which is very every successful people are doing. So, what are these three most important thing which we can also do? So, there are only 3 months left to end 2024. Only 90 days are there. So what we can do in 90 days? We can do lots of things if we decided to do. If we have the clear goal and clear purpose to do anything, we can absolutely achieve and do in 90 days. So what are these three important things which is very important? So I am going to talk about the good self talk. I observe that most of the time we are going to do anything. We have decided to achieve anything, but we do self doubt on ourselves that it maybe I am going to achieve or not. It's possible or not. I can do it or not. So this is a very big problem. That why we self doubt, why we are not believe in ourselves that yes, if I have decided to do it, that I have decided to speak English confidently and fluently, this is also a skill which I am working to develop this skill. So why I doubt on myself that it may be achieved or not, I can be fluent or not in this period of time. So why we don't believe ourselves? So this is a very first thing which we have to first self talk, good self talk to ourselves. We have to talk ourselves in a positive manner, positive talk, which is very important. So what we think, we become. So we have to talk to ourselves in a positive way, in a positive manner. Every day we have to talk positive, that yes, if I am doing this, I am going to achieve it. Yes, I am becoming a better version of myself every day. This is the first thing which we have to do. We have to just talk to ourselves in a positive way. And second thing, we have to learn a high income skill, because if anyone is a good person or doing great things, so he has a skill of valuable skill, very important skill, high paying skill. So he is doing lots of things in his career, in his life. So we have to build a good skill. It may be any skill. Just you have to find your passion, your belief, like in which field I am I am good, or I want to start my career. Like it may be language, English speaking, or any language. It may be software development, content marketing, content creation, or digital marketing. There are lots of things, ads, Facebook ad, video ad. So there are many things we have to do, we can do. We can start developing a skill. So what we have to do, we have to just pick up one skill. What is my passion, I have to pick up one skill, and I have to work on my skill every single day. You are not going to give the 5 hours or 10 hours. If you are going to give 1 hour every day consistently, we are going to succeed. We are going to be perfect on my skill after 30 or 60 or 90 days. So this is the second thing which is very important. We have to build a skill. And the third thing, we have to be curious. While learning a skill, we have to be very curious to learn lots of things, learn new things every day. Because most of the time, every successful people, they are curious to learn, they are curious to generate, they are curious to gather lots of knowledge, lots of information. So we have to be curious to learn, to gain lots of knowledge. That was not the third point. That was related to building a skill. We have to be curious to learn. Third thing, which is we have to focus on our fitness, because it's also very important thing. We focus on all areas of life. We are learning, we are developing a skill, but if we are not focusing on our health, we are not going to do a good work in our life. Because if our body is not fit, if our body is not good, we are not going to do good in our life. But genuinely, I am not focusing on fitness. I am just focusing on two parts. One, good self talk, talk to yourself, believe, and second is build a skill. And the third, which I am talking, focus on our fitness. I have to also focus, but right now I am not focusing. But after some time, it may be I am going to focus to do it also. But currently I am not focusing. But you can focus on your fitness also. So it's going to help you to complete, to do good better in your life. Because we have to focus on three things in our fitness: what we eat, and how we exercise, how many types of, how we are going to do gym, and third, our appearance. These three things is matter in our fitness. So we have to also focus on our fitness. We have to take good food, home cooked food, instead of taking outside foods, and we have to just start exercise, gym. Everywhere we can do walking to outside or in gym or in at home we can do. And the third, which is appearance, how we look. Because if I am sitting there and I am not saying anything, the body also speak 1,000 words. You can listen, you can absorb. People absorb without speaking. So we have to work on our appearance also. So these were the thing which is very important to do it, to do something better in life. So thank you. And these were the information which I read or I watched somewhere. So I think I have to share with you all. So thank you for today, and we will meet in next video. So thanks for today.